Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by launching Automator and selecting the template that matches the task: quick action for services, application for standalone apps, or folder action to watch a folder. Once chosen, pick the input type and scope so Automator receives the correct files or data. Then drag the first few actions from the library into the workflow. Make sure you chain compatible action outputs to inputs. Finally, run the workflow to verify the initial steps work and note any immediate errors. Once the skeleton exists, focus on the middle. Configure each action's parameters and confirm data types match across the chain. You can insert filters, variables, or conditional steps. Use get-specified finder items to anchor file workflows and run Apple script or run shell script for logic Automator lacks. Make sure to test incrementally, run small sections, inspect outputs, and adjust settings like timeouts or permissions. If you use variables, name them clearly so you can reuse them later without To finish, save your workflow using a descriptive name and the proper format: application, quick action, or folder action, and optionally assign a keyboard shortcut in system settings. Test thoroughly with real data and confirm Mac OS permissions under security and privacy so Automator and any scripts can access files. If something breaks, open the log, run actions individually to isolate the error, and swap the failing action for an Apple script or shell command if needed. That step often results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.